Hey there, outdoor people. David Stone here with Craft Build. I've mentioned in past sessions that we've spent over 2 years building a replacement for Craft Built to Order from the ground up. The new application will be called Craft Built to Order Plus, or CBTO Plus. In the previous two tutorials, we covered administration and management of the application and the sales dashboard. Here, we will look at placing orders with Craft Built, similar to how you did through CBTO. The URL to access the new configurator, cpq.craftbuilt.com. We will also put a link on the partners page, partners.craftbuilt.com. Once you're here, you'll use your email address and password to log in. And now we will go to the purchase dashboard. So in this system, or in this dashboard, everything is organized by status. So you have started orders, you have downloaded orders, you have canceled orders. If you want to search for a specific order, type it in up top and it'll populate. If you need to see what was downloaded, you can go into these orders and you can view the specs of that item. The prices that you see here are what your company pays for the material. The prices that they see in the sales dashboard are marked up based off those dealer markup numbers that you put in the My Account company section of the system. So if we're going to create a new purchase order, we put a PO with it. Let's call it Jackson, and then we begin the order. Now, there's two ways that I can add items to this order. One, I can create a new configuration, just like I did in CBTO, configure a new estate, slim fit manor, solar shade, what have you. I can also add parts and pieces from the catalog. However, what I'm going to show you first is the purchase queue. This is a connection between the sales dashboard and the purchase dashboard. All of these items are associated with sold jobs from the sales dashboard. Here's Sam Jackson. He has a solar shade and an estate awning. I'm going to select both of these and I'm going to add them to the order. They are going to come over exactly how the salesperson configured these items. I can review them straight from in here. I can also edit them. So for instance, if we're looking here at the solar shade and they used black screen material, but they didn't want black, I can come in here, I can go down to the section for fabric, and I can change the textiline 80 from black to dusk gray. Review popped up, I review it, I save it, main fabric changed, you can see that here. And it's now updated. When I'm ready to download, I can download this order and it'll come into our system just like any other. Purchase order has downloaded, and I can check that in here with that downloaded order. If I want to look at what came over, there's my estate patio awning, there's my solar shade. So I want to show you one other thing here. I'm just going to use this top order, and I'm going to go to the purchase queue. So we've got a few orders here, some for Bill Seward, some for Abe Lincoln. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the sales dashboard because I am a sales manager. I can cancel these orders. When I cancel these orders, I will show you how they disappear from the purchase queue. So I'm going to go into the sales dashboard. I'm going to go into Abe Lincoln. I'm going to take their sold order. I'm going to change the status to canceled. I'm going to go back to the dashboard. I'm going to do the same thing for Bill Seward. Now, when I go back to the purchase queue and I go to add those items, they are not there anymore. They've been removed because those jobs have been canceled. And that's why we're only allowing sales managers to cancel jobs, because it will remove them from the purchase queue and it'll prevent a potential mistaken order. The other way that you can add to purchase order is from scratch. What I mean by that is you can come in here, and if you've already sold products, I can come in, I can configure an eco awning, include mounting board, make it pretty small. And we will review and save. And we have added this to our purchase order, just like you would through CBTO. You can also add from the catalog. So if you need parts, you can come in, we can look for, let's go to estate, let's go to assembly, and let's say that we're looking for a cap. We need an end cap for the cassette. We need a white cap for the left side, one, and we need, and if I put in WH for white, it'll limit it down, and then I need one for the right side as well. Once I do that, I can go back to the purchase order, and I've added those to this order as well. I'm ready to place the order, I download it, and it goes straight into our system. The only people who can download orders are production managers or purchase managers. Purchase people can create orders, but they can't download them. They can also, a purchase person can only see the orders that they have created. A purchase manager can see all the orders that have been created. So there's a little bit of a variation in permissions. Look forward to everybody using the product. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you.